Hey there everybody, welcome back to the Maniac. I wanted to show you another quick unboxing video. I am posting one from Sparkle & Co., which is the company I get all my dip powders from, just to show you kind of my basic necessities for doing dip in case you're interested in that. This video is an order I placed from Kupa Incorporated. They sell a bunch of nail products, things like that. So I'm going to just go ahead and show you what I got from them. And then I can start getting some tutorials and stuff like that posted. Obviously you can see my nails are in really severe need, completely grown out to here. And the acrylic I had on there, I've kind of just been filing it to keep the edges. You can see where it kind of starts to lift on the edges. I've been filing that down. One of the reasons I wanted to show you this order from Kupa is that I ordered a nail file, e-file, so I'm really excited. So, oh, they sent me a little pop holder for my phone. That's cute. All right, so I did buy some bits that I could use. This is a diamond, like a diamond crosscut bit, similar to the one that I get from Young Nails, which I absolutely adore, but I do always like to try new things when I get the chance because you just never know. I got one of these 5-in-1 cone bits that I've wanted for a long time to try that out. And then this is a mandrel bit. So this is actually where we're going to be able to put sanding bands on top and use those. And those are always good for backup because you know, you can always grab a sanding band, which I ordered. So I'll show you those here. Grab a sanding band and you just throw those away after each client. So really easy. Then you just sanitize this mandrel again, 10 minutes in the barbicide, and then you're good to use it again. So, and these are, I got medium grit because that's pretty much all I use. And like I said, I use these as backup. I normally use the diamond bit and the, I use the coarse safety bit from Young Nails a ton. So this is the holder for the nail file that I bought. So it comes with this just hard acrylic holder so you can set it down. And I'll put all this stuff out so you can see it. I also bought just another cuticle pincher with a pusher on the side. Just, they're always good to have. I'm interested to compare this to the Young Nails version, which I have at home. So that will be exciting. I did buy one of their acrylic brushes. Again, I use primarily Young Nails products, and so that a lot of that is what I have just because I love them so much. But I did buy this. This is a size 10 acrylic brush, and I like that it like has little crystals. The one I've been using is the newest launch from Young Nails, which is the Greg Salo signature brush, which I absolutely adore. They were out of stock, so I couldn't buy another one to have sent here to California because I'm currently staying at my mom's during this COVID mess, and I wasn't able to bring all the stuff with me on the plane that I normally keep at the salon. So I've been kind of using that as an excuse, really, to order a bunch of new stuff. So don't feel sorry for me. It's okay. This is just table towels. These soft landing towels, again, I normally order them from Young Nails, and they come packaged flat there, but they're basically the same thing. Soft landings. They're just really nice, no lint towels that I use for, you know, keeping the table clean and all that, and they're nice and soft. So I bought a roll of those because, again, Young Nails was out. They're out of a lot of stuff. But I've got 2 shipments coming from them, one later today and another one from Young Nails tomorrow, as well as tomorrow I have a shipment coming from the Nail Throne, which is my first, well, not my first order. I did order some bits from her a while back for my e-file. So those of you who know, again, I do have the Young Nails e-file that they launched last year, and I completely adore it. I almost just bought another one of those because it's always good to have a backup. But I really have been looking for a rechargeable, more portable e-file to have like on my pedicure station, just so I don't have to keep moving back and forth. And the Young Nails, it is fairly portable, but it's corded. So I can use it, and I do on pedicure clients when I need to. But I really wanted a portable, rechargeable e-file. So since I was looking to order one, you know, I did check Amazon just to see if I could get a cheapy one just to kind of get me through until I can get back to Boston and get my stuff. But I saw that Kupa had a discount. I think they were doing 25% off. And this e-file, now I have a couple different versions of their e-files. One is like $420, somewhere around there. And then you got the 25% off, and it's a really great file. All their files, I've heard nothing but good things about them. I haven't used them myself yet, but I am excited to try it. So, that was the higher model, and I got this one, which was $200. And then of course I got the 25% off. So I paid about $150 for it. And, you know, I went back and forth because I thought, gosh, if I'm going to spend $200, I might as well spend $350 and get the Young Nails e-file that I know I love. But then again, like I said a minute ago, I have been wanting a more portable style, rechargeable drill e-file anyway. And so that's why I ended up going with this one. So here is the motor pack, and it has a clip so you can, you know, attach it to the back of your pants or whatever if you wanted to, or something next to it that you can then, you know, be able to have it right next to you so the cord reaches. And I already, so I'm just noticing this doesn't have a digital display, which kind of makes me sad but for pedicures, it's not really that huge of a deal. So I'll just kind of have to wing it and go. When I'm doing acrylic nails, obviously it makes a little bit more sense to have a digital display so I know exactly where I am. So here's another, this looks like another holder for the handpiece, which I'm assuming is in here. So let's see. Okay. Oh, it feels good and sturdy. Yeah, feels good in my hand. You know, it's not too heavy. I mean, you know, it's got to have the right mechanisms in it. So obviously it's not going to be feather light, but you'll be able to just twist to take, this is just what they keep in there during production. And then you can insert the drill bits in there. Honestly, don't know what that is. Okay, so here's some different plug adapters, which is kind of handy because if you travel, this is great. You can take it with you even to other countries if you needed to. I travel a lot, so that's actually a really nice perk that I did not know it came with. And then, wow, it looks like they sent me a mandrel bit included and some sanding bands. I did not know that. Look at that. That was nice. Little surprise. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get this charged up. Yeah, it looks like the battery's got two little dots available there. So we'll go ahead and just plug this in. That's the motor. And then it's just got a toggle switch here for forward and reverse. So that's fine, handy. And then I'll grab this just so you can see. Mandrel here. So you just twist to unlock it, slide it in. Wrong way, Cav. That, and then we can turn it on. There it goes. Oh, it's pretty quiet. Not too bad. A little bit of a hissing noise. So, excellent. Sounds good. You just click it all the way down to turn it off. So this can sit here. Oh, this is for this one, just like that. So you can set those on the desk if you want to while you're using it. Or again, it has the belt clip. So you could, you know, if you're sitting and doing a pedicure, obviously you could put it on the back of your pants or something like that. Or I wear an apron a lot of the time. I could slide it in one of my apron pockets so it's right there, and then be able to use this. The cord's pretty long and stretchy, so that I like that. So I think this will work nicely for what I want it for. I do miss that digital display and the ease of use for my Young Nails file, but in some videos coming up here over the next couple days as I get more products in, I am going to be doing some demo videos for you guys. So I'll do dip powder. I have an acrylic set coming. I did buy a acrylic kit from Young Nails just so I have everything in one spot. Their kits are amazing. And then I also ordered a bunch of, from the Nail Throne, of Glitter Bells colored acrylic with all kinds of glitter and good stuff like that. So I'm really excited about that. It'll be my first foray into more of the traditional colored acrylic. So very exciting. And then I have another order on the way from Glitter Planet UK, but that obviously is coming from the UK, so it's going to take a while to get here. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please let me down in the comments if there's something in particular you want to see coming up here over the next few days, and I will be able to put those together for you. So don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to hit the bell for notifications after you subscribe so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos that will be being posted. Hope you guys are having a great day. Stay healthy and well out there, and we'll catch you next time on the Maniac.